So, welcome to another video. I am Aditya Haldar, aka Script Rock, and first, I give you guys time to let that sink in. Yeah, please look at me properly. Okay, I am totally fine. Uh, I know, I think YouTube and some of you who actually sees my video, like those 6 people, I want to tell them that I'm alive. I am not dead. So if you are watching this video and you are wondering where I was gone, if someone is wondering, then I want to say it's none of your business. It's my business only. Okay. Watch the video, go home, sleep, talk to your girlfriend. Okay. Don't think about me. Even if you are thinking about me, thank you. I appreciate that. Okay. So very sorry. Those were my insecurities talking. Okay. Uh, those guys who are not been able to see me, look at the bottom left corner. Okay. Hey, I sorry. Okay. So what is this? What the hell is this? Okay. So ZEGOCLOUD actually is a API or UI kit, you can say. Okay. These have pre-built UI kits, like you can see, like this. Okay, like this. So what it actually does is, let's say you want to make a chat app like WhatsApp, similar to WhatsApp or RRI or anything. Okay. So what you can do, you can use ZEGOCLOUD's UI kit, call UI kit, let's say chat UI kit. Okay, let's say you want to make a video call app, particularly for video call. Okay, so you have to go through everything, right? You have to make your own home screen, you have to make your own like call cut button, you have to make your own call receiving button. Okay, you have to go through all of the internal like work, um, you know, sim no connection, making connection and all. Okay, showing the video, cutting the video, invitation and all. You have to go through everything. Okay, those guys who have made a video call app or chat app, they know what I'm talking about. Okay, so what you can do by using this ZEGOCLOUD call video call UI kit is, you can just use 10 lines of code. Okay, let's say I am a Flutter developer. Okay, so I am going to make a video call app using Flutter, in Flutter framework. Okay, so you can just use ZEGOCLOUD's caller UI kit. I don't recognize the proper name. It's in this. I'm going to show you guys a whole thing. Okay, I'm just letting you know, summarizing everything that what it does actually. So using Flutter, if I want to make a video call application using Flutter framework, I just use this UI, use its caller video call UI kit. I will add the package and just use 10 to, let's say, 15 lines of code. Okay, let's say 15 lines of code, and just done. You will get a full working video call app just by 10 10 lines of code. Okay, obviously you have to make your own home screen and all, but apart from that, the other things like call cutting, ye wo sorry, Hindi. Okay, there's that you can just use it, get it just by using this ZEGOCLOUD kit. Just okay. How you can use this ZEGOCLOUD? You can actually um, make a proper prototype version, okay, of how you want to make your own video collab, how you want to make your user experience through your video collab. Okay, you can test it, you can see what works or what not, okay, by using this UI kit. Okay, and today also going to make a app, not a full-fledged video collab, obviously. Okay, it will take a lot of time, but not a proper full-fledged application of video call. I will just show you. I will use just a template of it. Okay, I have already made it using Cursor, a template, a video call app template, and I'm just going to use the ZEGOCLOUD package in that and show you guys how it works. Okay, and okay, note, I haven't used it at all. Okay, I just found about it. I just gone through the doc, not properly. I have just seen a small amount of documentation of it. So everything I'm going to show you guys. Some of the things I also seen right now with you guys. Okay. Okay. So first I'm going to show you guys how to sign up. Another note that I have already signed up with my own account, but for you guys, just for you, because you are my in Hindi we say jigar ka tukras. Okay, so I'm going to make another account for you. Okay, so here you can say see. Okay, you can see you will have free credits. Okay, start now to get 10,000 free minutes. You see, you will get 10,000 free minutes on the first. Okay, these are free credits. How much time is 10,000 minutes, dude? Comment how many hours or days are 10,000 minutes? I don't know, very bad at math, man. Okay, get it. So name is Zingy boy. Okay, let's say I am from Bermuda. Huh? What the hell, man? I'm not from Bermuda. Benin. I don't know where is Benin. Bahamas. So yeah, your free trial has started, and you can implement. If you are a company or anything, you can just fill out this. Okay, and I'm not a company, obviously. Okay. So here you can see. Okay, so I have filled it out, those things that I have shown you, and now you can see that you will get 10,000 free minutes free trial, and after that it will charge. They will charge something, obviously. Obviously, dude, they're not going to let you guys use freely everything. Okay, you have to know it. Okay, and you have, if you want to join the community, you can just go join the community and all right. Okay, so then now go to the dashboard. Okay, it will take some time. Yeah, so this is the dashboard. Okay, this is the dashboard, fully clustered, I guess. Okay, get it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to log out from this. I'm going to log in from my account, which I have created for my own, and I'm going to show you guys everything. Okay, so I am in my account. Okay, and you can see that I have already built a application to show you guys. I'm going to make a video collab. Okay, so let me show you guys from the first how you can create a project. Okay, so look, these things, man. You can do like voice call, video conference, live streaming, live audio, in-app chat, customized app, telehealth, one-on-one tutoring, so many, so many, so many. How? Okay, so let's say I am going to use video conference. Okay, now I'm going to click next, and you give your you know project name. What can we say? Groups. Let's say project name is groups. Okay, just groups. Okay, so you have two options. Okay, UI kits and SDK means like means you can use their own SDK, okay, to integrate in your application. But I'm going to just get you. Oh, wow, man, cool UI, man. Okay, so I'm going to use UI kits. Start with UI kits. Okay, so it will take some time to create the whole project and all. Let's start building our application. So you can see you can choose from any of these, like Android if you guys are using Android or iOS, or obviously if anyone is that rich. Okay, and for my every other Hilog, okay, middle class Hilog, we do have to use Android and Flutter or React Native. Okay. Okay, so we'll use Flutter because we are going to use Flutter, obviously. Okay, so this is the whole thing. This will show you a preview. Okay, this will show you a preview of how it can look for a video. What did we choose? I guess video conference, right? Okay, so this is how the video conference is going to look. So now you will click on this, save and start. Now you will come to this section where you will get these API ID and API sign. You have to add it in your application, and you can just use your app. Okay, these are the most important things you have to add. Okay, and as I said that I will also make an app in this video, and I'm going to show you guys how you have to add all these. Okay, and for security reasons, obviously I have to hide these things. And this is the demo. Okay, I am not going to use this app project that I have created just now. I will create the video collab which I have already created on the first. I've seen it on the first. Okay, I also want to show you guys their documentation. Dude, what a documentation. Every single thing is there, like every single thing. Okay, I've gone through the documentation. I will use like the app which I am going to build. Okay, I am going to add all the code and all, okay, from their documentation itself. Okay, the documentation is that good. Okay, so now we will go to the documentation. Okay, so you will come to this documents. Okay, so you will get here. Okay, so here you can explore the products and all. Okay, video call and all, but you will come to directly here. Okay, you will find the UI kits of them. Okay, so in this video I am just going to show you the call kit, but they also have live streaming kit, video conference kit, live audio kit, in-app chat kit. And okay, let me tell you something. I will give all the resources, okay, all the links, ZEGOCLOUD link, this call kit link, I'll give you in the description and the pinned comment. Okay, you can check it out directly from there. Okay, just go around. I'm just going to show you guys for this video, I'm just going to show you guys the call kit. So if you guys want a dedicated video of video call app or any live streaming app using Flutter and using the ZEGOCLOUD UI kit, just comment out. Okay, And for now, you can just go through the ZEGOCLOUD's vast kit, UI kit and SDK kit. Just go around, okay? Dude, even I want to make some one. Okay, so you have to click on this call kit, because for now we are going to use this call kit, but we're gonna have all of this. Okay, so uh, the thing that I was talking about, sorry. Okay, so the thing I was talking about is, look at their documentation, dude. Here you will see a quick start. Okay, so here they have gave you a video. Okay, this video you can directly see what they are doing. And okay, I'm not playing this video right now, but you can just go through this video and you will know what you have to add and how you have to add. Okay, and look at this, man. Look at this. Okay, this is Java right now. Okay, so this is now Java. Okay, so anyone who is using Java um, to build their like Android Java, okay, they can just click here. If someone is using iOS, building iOS, I am using Flutter, so I am going to use Flutter. Okay, so here you will get everything, like you see, from dependencies to all the configurations you have to make in your build gradle, in your wrapper properties, everything, every single thing they have documented. Every single thing they have documented, dude. They have given you straight up code. You just add this code and just okay, complete. Your app is complete. Okay, so that is why I have told you that I am going to make the app straight in front of you using that documentation. Okay, there is also some other configurations you can see, like this. If you want to make damn, I've never seen it, bro. Damn. Okay, so this is how they will look. Okay, like, okay, what is this? This is only a call. Okay, you will add the API key and all, everything. Okay, I'm going to show you what to add and all. So you will just add those, and you will just have a UI. Okay, you will just have a click on a button and the video call would start. But if you want to make another feature like this one, like, you know, there a notification or an invitation, call invitation will come, so you can go through this. Okay, now if you want to make some other changes, more changes about avatar, okay, you want to change give your own avatar, okay, you can go through this all code. Okay, they have given you the proper code. Okay, so you can go through this code. If you want to add your own custom components, okay, like you know, if you want to mainly if you want to change any buttons, any menu bar, anything you want to, like, you want to test, you want to experiment, just do it. If you have even 1 year development experience now, if you even have a 1 year development experience, developing anything, web, Flutter, and you have gone through documentation, this is butter. This is butter. Okay, for now I'm just going to show you the quick start, okay, with this. Okay, so now we are going to use all of these. Like, I'm going to add this, and I'm going to add this code, this piece of code and all. Okay, and all the configuration I will also make in front of you. Okay, so let's go to my Android Studio now then. Okay, so now we are in my Android Studio, and let me come clear to you guys. This template that this Flutter application that I'm showing you right now is made using cursor. Okay, I'm just going to add the ZEGOCLOUD in it. Okay. As I told you, if you guys want a dedicated application build using ZEGOCLOUD UI kit, any UI kit, just comment out. Okay, I'll make another video. Okay, but you guys have to wait. Okay, it will, because it will take time. Okay, UI and all. Okay, so for now, this is the app that I built using Cursor. Okay, and now I'm going to add ZEGOCLOUD everything. Okay, so we are going to add this ZEGOCLOUD pre-build call, and it will add the package to our Flutter project. Okay, our pre-build app, which is going to be used in the video call app. Okay, so this is the app looks, how the app looks before adding the UI kit of ZEGOCLOUD and all the other changes. Okay, so I have told you this is built by Cursor. Okay, I am not taking any responsibility. Okay, so it just have, right now it just have two screens, okay, three screens. Okay, this is the part where we will take the user name to use. Okay, let's say, you know, my name Aditya. Okay, and then we will click continue. Then here is the second screen where we will use the call ID. Let's say call ID is you know, what can I say? Okay, the _11. Okay, let's just pretend. Okay, then we will click the start call, then the call will start. Okay, that is the whole point. And this is a screen right now, it is showing. Okay, but we will change it after adding all the necessaries of ZEGOCLOUD from Zego documentation. So in this I will add everything from ZEGOCLOUD documentation in front of you guys. I have not done anything previously. Okay, so if I do anything wrong, then obviously I have ChatGPT. Okay, hashtag ChatGPT support. Okay, so let's build it, right? Let's go and build it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, friend, come here. Okay. Oh, okay, forget it. Let's just, yeah. For now, I'm shutting it down. Okay, so we will, okay, let's, oh my god, left to this side. Okay, okay, so first we will add this one, Flutter pub add Zego UI kit pre-built call. Okay, you don't have to worry. I have told you, you don't have to worry. I will add all the links, documentation links, and call kit links, and everything I am using directly in the description and also in the pinned comment. Okay, so yeah, you have to add this. Okay, let's just add this. Okay, I'm using the Flutter pub add, means I'm using the CLI directly, but you can add directly in the pubspec.yaml. Okay. Okay, so now it is added, but if you try to run it directly from this, you will have some issues. Okay, because first you have to add the other dependencies and all. Okay, and then we will start adding the code. Okay, okay, so now what we have to do, we have to configure this project, add some configurations. let's just do it then. So this is the code and this is the ZEGOCLOUD. So what this says, we have to configure. Okay, so this is what I have added in the integrate.sdk. Okay, so this is the Flutter pub add ZEGOCLOUD UI kit pre-built code. Okay, let me show you guys. Yeah, now what we have now, we will add this code, but let's just configure this project first, otherwise it will all break. Okay, that will be another hell. Okay, so add the following in the app build, Android app build grid. Okay, let's do it then. Android app build grid. Okay, where would I put it? Default dependencies. Okay, dependencies. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, so this says in the Android build grid you will use a Kotlin version of 180, but I am using a newer version of Kotlin, so I'll show you guys if it runs or not, because I want to show you the latest versions, how it works. Because if you are making a new project with me, so you can see that in the new Flutter version, the default DSL is Kotlin DSL. Okay, means these build.gradle, this settings.gradle, it will all be in .kts. Okay, it will not be in build.gradle, it will be build.gradle.kts, means it is in Kotlin DSL, but I have converted it in Groovy DSL. Okay, just to make it run, because it was having a lot of troubles. So I will try to make another video where I will show you guys how to run it with .kts files, meaning in Kotlin DSL. And if any of you guys have done this previously, please let me know. Okay, it will be help for others and it will be helpful for me also. Okay, so for those who are having trouble right now, like me, like I had, okay, you just convert this build.gradle.kts into build.gradle, means you just have to, you just have to come here. Okay, you just hit rename. Where the hell? Okay, so you will just click on the refactor. Yeah, you will hit on the rename and just rename it to build.gradle and it will be fine. Okay, also you have to change the inner code of the build.gradle and the settings.gradle, or it will not work. Okay, you will see id in .com.android.application in the bracket, but you will change it to this and this. Okay, you can use any can I say ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Claude, and anything. Okay, so so this is it for right now. Let me show you. This is the thing I have had tell you before you run, because obviously I had the same problem. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so modify gradle.wrapper. Okay, so I have to change it. Okay, so they have said to use 7.4 to modify permission. Yeah, okay, so here also they are saying to use gradle in gradle.property wrapper.properties, they are saying to use 7.4. okay, but we are using 8.7. we are using the latest version. So let's see if it runs. Okay, if I have any problem, I will tell you guys directly here. Okay, so for now let's add this code. Okay, this code in the manifest.xml. okay, so let's see how. Okay, Android XML manifest. So here you can see they've showed you how you can add it. Yes, here, right? If I'm not wrong, if I'm not wrong. Package, yeah, before application, huh? Yeah, okay. Okay, so here they are also saying you have issues. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, I'm taking a risk, guys. Okay, okay, so we have to add another thing. It's a new thing. Okay, so then plus we have to, in the build.gradle file, add the following config code to the release part of the okay, okay, ProGuard dash rules dot pro. Okay, okay. So in the where project Android app build gradle. Okay, project Android app build gradle. Okay, so what we have to do in the application part. Okay. Android app folder, you have to create another ProGuard rules. Okay, so let's copy this from here directly. Okay, and create another file. Okay, I've never done it, dude. I've never done this, to be honest. Okay. Okay, I guess. Yeah. Now let's copy this code from here directly. Yeah. I guess. Right? Use.pro in a project, create a file with the codes shown below. It's not right. Okay. Forget it. Let's see what happens. Okay. Let's see what happens. I am taking a risk, dude. I'm literally taking a risk. I can break everything. I can break everything if I do anything wrong. Okay, you'll bear with me, guys, I guess. I'm hoping for your support. Okay, so I have to add this also under the build types of build gradle. Okay. The build types of build gradle under. Yes, I'm doing it right. Release. Okay. I guess this is it. Okay, minify enabled. I don't know what is it. I literally don't know. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay. So now that I have added everything, not everything, but with newer versions and all. Okay, let's see if everything works or not. Okay, so now we are going to add the code. Okay, you can add it directly from here. Okay, you can add this call page from this code, but for this you have to create another file, another call page file, and you have to use it in your method. But you can also use this code, this piece of code directly in your method or your screen or method you have built. Okay, I will show you the both ways. Okay. So let's just first go to our screen. Okay, let's first create in the utils file. Okay, create another dat file. Okay, I am going to call it the same name, call page. Okay, and I will add this piece of code. What the hell? Okay. Okay, so sorry for this. Okay. Okay, so this is, I have copied it from the documentation. I will copy it from here. Okay. Yeah. Oh, and also the material, of course. Okay, so this is the whole thing. Okay, so basically now what you have to do is you have to add these two things. You see, app ID and app sign. Yeah, these are, you will find in your console. Okay, in your ZEGOCLOUD console you have created the where you have created the project. Okay, so let's go to the console. I'll show you guys where you can find it. Okay, so you will go to this console. Okay, yeah, in your console you will go to your console obviously. Okay, and see, I am going to connect this app with my application. Okay, this project with my application. Okay, so here you will click it and you will see your app ID and also your app sign. Okay, I'm not going to show you my app ID. Okay, I don't know if you can see it or not. Okay, I have to hide it. Okay, and because of for obvious reasons, you will add your own app ID and app sign which from your project you have created. Okay, in the console. Okay, so now, okay, also I'm going to show you where I will add it. Okay, yeah, here see, I have created another config folder and I have created another file for it. Okay, I'm going to add my app ID here and my Zego app sign here, and I'm going to connect it with my, okay, let's do this. Okay, let's first Zego app ID. Okay, that's your app ID, and Zego call ID, what was it? Okay, let's just add it from here, directly from here. Yeah, okay, so here is my Zego app ID and Zego app sign. Okay, and I'm going to add my app ID and app sign directly from here. Let's add it then, and let me, so let's add it then, I guess. Yeah, okay, so I have successfully added my Zego app ID and app sign. Now comes the very hard part. Okay, let me show you guys. It's very hard. Okay, you are not going to believe it how much hard is it is. Call, okay, call ID from call ID. Okay, user name from username. Okay, where is it? Okay, I have to connect it. Where is it? Where is it? Call page is taking. Oh, sorry, it's a very dumb mistake. Okay, okay, it's a very dumb mistake. See, a very dumb mistake. So I am creating a widget, so I have to add everything as a widget, right? And what I'm about it, and create our user ID. User name, sorry, name. Okay, you also have to do this required this dot username required this dot user ID. Okay, now you can format. Where is format? Okay, now it's made. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, Okay, now it's done. Okay, I haven't created this parameters to use it in call screen, so that's my bad. Okay, now you can use user ID. Sorry, where is mm, user ID? Okay, also, yeah, I know these are silly mistake. Pardon me, guys. I guess. Okay, also username. Okay, let's give it like this, and I'm using this here. Now I have to connect it here also. User ID. Okay. Silly changes, I guess, because I have added this and this. Okay, so I have to add this code also. So now I will add this user ID args. Yeah, and to be honest, okay, what the hell? Okay, forget it. So okay, so let me tell you one thing. These things I have added, and these things I have added, okay, these are my code. Okay, I have to refactor and everything. Okay, these are my code, not my code actually, cursor's code. Okay, so these are cursor's code. Okay, and it can vary from you, from me. Okay, like it can vary. Okay, different cursor, different code and all. Okay, but apart from that, the project is actually ready. Okay, the project is actually ready. This 10 lines of code, okay, mainly just 10 lines of code, man. Let's see now. Okay, now let's see if it works or not. Okay, let's see. So I was saying that in the documentation you will see the configurations. So the configurations for build.gradle and the settings.gradle files are a bit older versions, but for newer Flutter and Android Studio versions there are some new changes, and there are new configurations and SDK tools which you can use, and which I have used in this application, in this demo application. So if you are also having trouble, so what you have to do, you have to come to this build.gradle and change this 36 compile SDK, and target SDK will also be 36. Okay, and Java version will be as you want, like your preferred version which is in your system. Okay, for build.gradle I am using 2.1.0, and this is the newer version, and for this Kotlin version this AGP is important. Okay, 8.6.0, and because of this AGP 8.6.0 you have to add in settings.gradle also 8.6.0 and the Kotlin version 2.1.0. Along with that you have to add the 8.7 Gradle in Gradle wrapper.properties. Okay, so if you do these changes, okay, or if you guys use this thing, then means this code in Gradle wrapper.properties, you will your problem would be fixed if you are having any issue. Okay. Okay, so this is it. Okay. These are all the changes you have to do just to run it. Okay. Okay, so this was the main configuration part, which can go with the newer configuration and newer versions of Flutter and all. Okay. So as I was using it, I also had another issue, okay, which was this issue. I was using a second call screen, okay, but the call screen was not working. So what I did is that I have used this call page widget directly in this stateless widget. I mean, I am returning this call page directly in the build, okay, in the stateless widget. You can do it as well. And now just let me show you guys what happens. Let's just say I am using username as Aditya. Okay, my name is Aditya, so obviously. Okay, now I will click in continue and it will come this home screen. Okay, now user, I will say user1. In this I will say, you know, test1. Okay, now this call ID and user ID is not specific, as it is a demo. You can add anything. Okay, user1, user2, test1, test2, it's on you. Okay, now if you click on this start call, okay, why, what the hell, why nothing is happening? Oh, of course I have to run this full thing. Okay, so I ran it, and let me show you guys again. Apparently, why this always happens to me, dude, I don't know. Okay, so let's do it, Aditya. Okay, now click on continue. Now user1, as I told you, you can do any user 1 2 3 test1 test2. Okay, let's see this one and just click on start call. Look, it's running. Just give it a time. Okay, so because this is an emulator, you can't see anything, but you can see everything is working. Okay, like if I click on it and I click on camera, it's changing the camera, right? It's changing the camera. Okay, now I click on this, now video is off. Okay, my video is off, that is why it is showing. Okay. Now my mic is off. Okay, my mic is off, right? Yeah, look, isn't it cool? Again, look, yeah. Now if I want to cut it, I can cut it directly, and it's again this one. Can you believe this? And what I did, forget every, okay, so for my application, okay, as I told you, for my application, all the other code and everything is for me. Okay, I have coded it just to show you guys, just to give you a feel how it looks. Obviously not me, Cursor built it, but this is the whole point, that all the other code apart from this single call page is my code. Okay, this is just extra code. Okay, but the main thing, the main video calling, everything, okay, I have shown you the calling, like end call button, the mic on off button, the camera on off button, the speaker on off button, everything has came just from this code, just from this piece of code. Okay, and apparently also you can change this config in one video call to group video call to something else, okay. Okay, so this was it. This was the short introduction to ZEGOCLOUD's UI kit. Only a caller UI kit because it has many things. Okay, but it's your turn. Check it out, explore, experiment, and also do let me know if you want a full application build with ZEGOCLOUD UI kit, any UI kit if you want. Okay, comment it out. I will try to make a video within 1 year uh, based on my previous record. Okay, so